Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Be Technical. In this session we are going to learn Groove tool from the Sketch Best Features toolbar in Part Design Workbench. So let's start with the session. So basically grooves are those revolve features that remove material from the existing features. Let's take one cylindrical feature ready. Suppose I am taking a cylinder of diameter 100 and height 150. So we have one cylindrical element here. Now I want some part in the middle to be cut off. So how I will use the groove tool now is, firstly I will make one sketch ready. So now we have here one sketch. We have one existing element, that is cylindrical element. Now I will show you the groove tool. So firstly I will select the groove tool. You can see here we have one dialog box. So now what it is highlighting is profile or surface. We have to select the profile or surface. So I will select that profile. Now it is highlighting the axis. I will select the central axis. You can also go and select on the cylinder. It will automatically select the central axis of the cylinder. I am selecting now. You can see here the application shows a preview of groove entirely revolving about the axis. When you click on the preview option, you will see the final preview of how your object is going to appear. You can adjust the degree of revolution from the limit section. So here when I go here, I will select only 300 degree. Now if you see the preview, you can see here it is only revolving about 300 degrees. If you only want it for a half, that is 180 degree, just enter there 180 degree and you will get 180 degree. If you don't want on that side, if you want on the opposite side, you have your option. You can select here 180 on the second angle, and first angle you will just make it 0. And you see the preview now. You can see it has jumped from on the opposite side. You will see the final object here. I will show you one more example for the groove tool. As we have seen in first example, I have used one closed profile to create the groove or slot in the cylindrical solid body. So now you can see here I have two lines, one is the red and one is the white line. So red line is my reference element around which I will revolve or groove my profile, and my white line is the profile which I will groove. So I have created this red line with the help of reference element toolbar. I will show you this toolbar in detail in the upcoming video. So now let's start with the groove tool. I will select the groove tool. Now here, firstly if you can see here in the limits, first angle and second angle, this addition is not total 360 degree. It is exceeding 360 degree. So when I will select my profile, I will show you by selecting. I'm selecting my profile first and now axis. It will give me one error. The sum of the two angles must be less than 360 degree. Okay. So what I will do, I will do my second angle as 0. So now after selecting this, or I will give it as 40° first angle and 40° second angle. We will create one symmetric profile. So now as you can see here, I will click on the preview. How it has created the slot. You have one more method. You can create one more another type of slot here. How I will show you. Here you have one option of thick profile. I will on this option. Now you have got one additional dialog box opened here. It says thick groove. So now what I will do, I will add here thickness. I want a slot of 10 mm. So I will give here 10 mm and I will click here on preview. Now you can see here in the preview, the initial grooves are got deleted, and now you can see here it has created one preview here, but it is not intersecting any either of the surfaces, upper or lower surface of the solid element. Now to merge that ends, we have one option called merge ends here. Now you will see the difference. I will on the merge ends, and now if you see the preview, it has created one slot on the upper and lower arms of the solid body. The total thickness of this groove is 10 mm. If I will give the thickness on the other side as 10 mm again, it will give me total of 20 mm groove. If in case you have drawn the profile on the neutral side and you want same thickness on the both sides, instead of putting these two values, you also have your neutral fiber option, and now you can enter here only one thickness and you will get it as symmetrical, means 6 mm on one side and 6 mm on the other side, total of 12 mm slot. You can adjust the degree also. As you can see here, this is another method of using the groove tool. So guys, we are done with this tool. You have seen 3 different ways to use this groove tool. If you have any doubts in this, let me know in the comment section. To like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive the latest updates.